single tear rolls down a human cheek. No other animal on Earth does this. Your dog whimpers, your cat cries out, but neither weeps from a broken heart. Emotional tears are ours alone. Elephants grieve, apes mourn their dead, yet none of them shed tears of sorrow. So why did evolution hand us this strange, salty gift of crying? The average person cries dozens of times a year, often for no clear survival reason. Tears blur your vision, they expose your weakness. Logically, they make no sense. And yet we cry at weddings, funerals, and films. What if crying is not a flaw, but one of our greatest social tools? This is the untold story, written in salt water on the human face. First, what exactly is a tear? Your eyes make 3 kinds of tears, and only one carries emotion. Basal tears coat your eyes constantly, keeping the surface smooth and clear. Reflex tears flood out when you chop an onion or catch dust. The third kind appears only when you feel grief, joy, awe, or rage. Tears pour from glands above each eye at roughly 1 microliter per minute. But emotional tears are chemically different. In 1981, a biochemist asked a daring question about what tears contain. Frey collected tears from volunteers watching sad films in his Minnesota lab. He compared them to reflex tears from sliced onions under bright lights. Emotional tears, he found, carried more protein and stress-related hormones. Crying may flush stress chemicals from the body. The idea was bold. The evidence was thin. Frey's hormone theory was popular, but later studies struggled to confirm it. If crying does not detox the body, then what is it really for? Look not at the chemistry, but at the face. This Dutch psychologist became the world's leading expert on human crying. Vingerhoets argued tears are a signal, designed to be seen by others. A tear-streaked face says, "I'm in pain and I need you." Unlike a scream, tears travel silently and cannot betray you to predators. They call for help from those close, without alerting distant danger. So tears are a private call for connection. Researchers tested this by showing people faces with and without tears. In 2011, scientists digitally erased tears from photographs of crying faces. With tears removed, faces looked confused or even mildly threatening. With tears restored, the same faces looked sad, and viewers wanted to help. Tears reliably boosted ratings of how much support the person seemed to need. A tear opens a window into another person's inner world. But the story takes a chemical turn. At the Weizmann Institute, Sobel studied what tears might secretly carry. In 2011, his team collected women's emotional tears and had men smell them. The tears were odorless. The men could not tell what they sniffed. Yet smelling those tears appeared to lower the men's testosterone and arousal. Brain scans showed reduced activity in regions tied to sexual response. Tears, it seemed, might carry invisible chemical signals between people. Tears might be a chemical message we cannot consciously read. So why did only humans evolve this? Some scientists tie crying to our long, helpless infancy and deep social bonds. Human babies depend on caregivers far longer than any other primate. A visible signal of distress that calls for help could be powerfully adaptive. Our anatomy makes tears impossible to miss. Our flat faces and white eye whites make tears easier to notice. Humans are the only primate with such bright, exposed sclera. You thought crying made you weak. The science says the opposite. Tears may be one of evolution's most sophisticated tools for building trust. By showing vulnerability, you tell others you are safe to be near. Crying is not a breakdown, it is a bond. We cry hardest not when alone, but when someone is there to see. Studies suggest people feel better after crying mostly when comforted by others. Crying alone often brings little relief, while shared tears can heal. This may be why tears at funerals draw mourners together in grief, and why tears of joy at weddings somehow feel exactly right. Next time tears blur your eyes, remember what they truly are. Not a sign that you are broken, but a call for closeness. A salty signal, written by evolution asking, "Please stay near me."